Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we've got another car feature. Don't worry, it's not this piece of rubbish. We have a cool car with us and I will mention that in a minute. But first of all, I would like to welcome Tom. Thank you for coming up today.
You okay?
So what are we filming today?
My Ford Fiesta MK8 ST2.
Which just looks stunning, isn't it?
Yeah, she's getting there now slowly.
And this is a feature that we were planning to do for ages. And I've known you for years.
Years, yeah.
And for some reason, years went by and we were going to film it and film it and film it, and just life happened and we haven't. But yeah, it's out today. We're going to go through the inside, the outside, go for a little drive, and I may be driving it as well. So it's going to be a really good one. And if you are excited, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. Right, here we join you in the cockpit. If you could just talk us through a couple of mods that you've done to the car.
We'll go front to back. We've got a Maxton design full splitter low line kit. We've got the Voodoo intercooler with the Zen Sport grill, so you can see it coming through the grill. We've got the MRST lower grill. We've got bonnet vents, which are proper bonnet vents, not the plastic stick-ons.
Vents that don't vent.
We've then got, we're lowered 35mm on H&R springs. Recently we've just had the wheels refurb, the Revos, in a chrome black. We've then got the Maxton side skirts, the Maxton diffuser with the spats.
Very aggressive.
The full Scorpion system, Sports Cat, GPF delete, and back box. Yeah, that's and the old visuals, the Voodoo stripe along the side, and there's some stickers here and there. And yeah, that's about all you can see, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, and the custom lights at the front.
Custom lights are
custom
amazing.
lights and the
back.
rears, yeah.
You said you didn't do too much to the engine bay.
No, just the Voodoo induction kit and the Voodoo caps, and
cheap and cheerful.
Cheap and cheerful, yeah.
And interiors, little touch-ups.
Little touch-up, yeah. Print, peel and stick, overlays, carbon fibre. Obviously the steering wheel, the rev counter steering wheel, and yeah, just a Voodoo gear stick, and that's about it really on the inside for now.
Perfect. It's turbo, isn't it?
Yeah.
Of course it is, yeah. 1.5.
1.5.
1.5 turbo. Ah. That's good power for, isn't it?
Yeah, it's 200 stock.
Yeah, I don't know.
197.
I don't know if we've mentioned power, so we said it's roughly right day, right fuel.
Back to 270, so
270-ish.
their performance.
That's very colly. Jesus. Oh.
Hello.
Police car. See, that's sick.
She's warming up.
Is that the exhaust or the tune?
Exhaust.
Yeah.
That comes stock.
Oh, okay.
It's obviously just louder because of the exhaust.
This is sick.
Yeah, that's a TikTok shop.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. That looks well good. For the car or universal?
Universal. It just plugs into the USB.
Oh, okay. Always getting used to other
Getting
people's
used to it,
clutches
innit?
as well, yeah. Yeah, I love that constant pop.
Sometimes it does it. Sometimes you don't.
It's very low RPM, isn't it?
Yeah. Like first to third that'll do it, but then afterwards you get the occasional, as you'll find out in a minute.
Just grab a feel. Oh, everything is so, I don't know if it's because I drive a 90s look, but it's so responsive. And what year is it?
19.
19.
Late 19. 69 plate, so.
Giggity, giggity, giggity.
That was cool. Tyre pressure sensor.
Yeah, don't worry about that.
That's right.
Yeah, because yeah.
That's mad. Yeah. That is crazy.
Racketiness, yeah.
Oh yeah, but the newness is so smooth. You don't know you're doing XYZ because it's just so fluid. That's mad. Yeah, that's just.
You don't feel like you're doing what you're doing, do you?
No, it's just, you know, that's sick. That is very cool. Wow. See, that's mad. It goes 6, but that's mad. That's interesting that, and I don't mean this in a funny way, but it's interesting how you can, I mean, well, even she says this, but you can have fun in a slower car.
Yeah.
Whether it's you know, you've got less power but more, I mean, like, for example, she would lose in a straight line, but on handling around corners, she'd take most cars.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's really, really good for the cornering. But you can still have a whale of a time. You don't need a 1,000 horsepower Bugatti or some rubbish, you know, you don't need all that. You just need the right setup, and it's still tons of fun. Who's got the faster car then?
Well, I'll paper him, technically.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm gonna him. I'll say him. His is automatic, isn't it?
Oh, is it? Oh, does he miss the old car?
Yeah, he misses the attention of the Fiesta.
That's sick. There's not a lot of turbo lag, is there?
No.
It's just very, that's cool.
When you can't hear the pops, all you can hear is the induction. Yeah, don't listen to that.
So originally, what did you have before this?
I had a Focus, 1 litre Focus.
Okay, so you've always been
Yeah,
Ford.
and then before that I had a 1 litre Fiesta.
Okay.
And I was supposed to get the Focus, but that was just too much a month. So they said, we've got this grey Mark 8 ST. I was like, alright, let's take it for a test drive, and then yeah,
Fell in love with it.
and now she's here.
Yeah, it's interesting because I know people always joke about Fords and, you know, forever on the roadside daily or whatever, but they are good. I mean, although it was slow, I enjoyed my ZTEC S, which was before the MR2.
Yeah.
The dash, the overall feel of it, it was a nice car, you know. Yeah. That doesn't get boring. Does not get boring. That's funny. Yeah. Even the baby one's sick. I don't know if you can pick it up. I don't know if that picks it up on camera, but I appreciate you for trusting me driving your car.
You're alright.
The only time I ever had an incident, actually, it was funny. It was in the Fiesta. I think I hit an oil spill on the roundabout near the Three Horseshoes, actually.
Yeah.
And I did a full 180 on the roundabout. That was quite scary, but I don't think it was my fault because the road did look a bit shiny, but I didn't see it, and But the problem is, people were like looking at me funny, like you're because it was a blacked out stealth ZTEC S with red calipers, so you can imagine the looks, boy racer. But I wasn't doing it, you know. It just 180.
Just 180. Yeah.
No, wait, stop. And there we have it. That is the end of another car feature. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that one. That was really, really cool. Thank you very much for that.
No worries, thank you.
That was interesting because, again, that's the first car that I've driven, because some I can't because they're driver's cars, as I've been told, and I get, but feeling that and hearing it and just experiencing that was really, really cool. Hopefully we can do more of that, as long as insurance permits and all that stuff on different cars. But yeah, no, that was really, really good, and I enjoyed that one a lot, so thank you for that.
Alright, no worries.
But if you guys have any questions, I will link Tom's Instagram in the description, or just leave a comment on the video and we will get back to you when we can. But yeah, that's it from me. So just like, comment, subscribe, follow Instagram socials for me, Georgia the camera woman, and Tom on Instagram, and turn on the post notifications so you never miss a new video. See you in the next one. Thank you very much.